When I put on makeup, I just feel so invincible. I just feel so pretty. It just gives me that boost of confidence. Can't nobody tell me how to feel. I am who I am, period. I'm Daymante, also known as Day or Slaymonte. I am a beauty advisor at Sephora. The first time that I wore makeup was my freshman year of high school. I would draw my eyebrows in and there would be like two really thick blocks, and I literally would put contour all on my face. And I thought it was so fab. But I just felt so pretty and I did not care. I was so confident. Working at Sephora, I never felt like I couldn't be Day. I knew as soon as I got on the floor that I could be myself. I felt real welcomed. Everyone was just so supportive. I felt like nobody was gonna judge me just for being the flamboyant self I am. The culture at Sephora is so diverse. I immediately felt so comfortable with them. Sephora has developed so many skills in me. I wasn't very knowledgeable on the color theory, but working there, I learned a lot on like the first colors, like the secondary colors, and just learning the color wheel. I knew at an early age that I was gay. The main struggle I had growing up was being comfortable with being gay. In elementary school and middle school, everyone would always ask me like, are you gay? And it was just very overwhelming for me to even say yes. So I always just struggled with being comfortable with myself. The summer going to 9th grade, that's when I finally came out. And the feedback actually was positive. I really can say that I was fortunate enough to have a family that was supportive. What I love about the LGBTQ community is that they are like a big influence on the makeup community today. It's important for you to know your worth and be comfortable in your own skin. I once was that person walking in the room with my head down, not really trying to put too much attention on myself, but honestly, stop living for other people, live for you. If that's something that makes you happy, do it.